Most broadcast operations run on more systems than the org chart admits. Playout, monitoring, OTT delivery, and fast channel management often sit in different platforms, each with its own login. A warning on one system rarely stays contained. Left unaddressed, it tends to surface elsewhere minutes later as a bigger problem. By the time three systems are signaling at once, the question isn't which to fix first. It's whether there's time to fix any of them. Some vendors are building toward a different model. Amagi, among others, markets a cloud platform aimed at consolidating playout and delivery. iKO Media Group takes a similar approach with iKOSYSTEM, a single dashboard the company says brings satellite, cloud, OTT, and fast services under one login. iKOMG also states the platform carries no added cost for customers already subscribed, a term worth confirming directly rather than assuming. By the company's own account, the unification covers services a customer already subscribes to inside its ecosystem. It doesn't reach outside vendors and isn't a substitute for the underlying infrastructure. For an operations team, the practical shift is narrower than the pitch. Fewer places to check when something breaks, one place to check first. Whether that changes an actual bad night depends on how many separate systems an operation runs today, and how much of that list one dashboard can honestly absorb.